In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully be able to resolve the issue where if you're trying to go onto Facebook here and you're noticing that it says your computer needs to be cleaned. So assuming your computer is perfectly fine and you're just not really understanding why you're getting this message when going onto Facebook, this tutorial will be for you. So first thing, we're going to go ahead and assume you're on Google Chrome here. Other web browsers might be slightly different, but we're going to do this example as if you were using Google Chrome, which at the time of this recording is the most popular web browser in the world. And we're going to go ahead and left click on the More menu icon near the top right corner of the browser window, currently a three-dotted vertical icon. Left click on that one time, and then go down and left click on Settings. You want to scroll down on this page until you get to Advanced, expand that as well. Scroll down again until you where you get to it saying restore settings to the original defaults. Left click on that, and then left click on reset settings. You should restart your computer once that's done as well, and you should restart your browser once that's completed. And then you should also click on clean up computer too if you're still experiencing problems here. This will actually run a scan through your browser, and hopefully it'll be able to pick something up if there's anything on your computer. Hopefully not, but just an alternative method as well if the first one doesn't work for you. So again, first method would reset the browser. The second one will be doing a more on-demand scan. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.